good morning, and always healthy. This morning, we will stop by to enjoy breakfast at the SUKACITA Porridge Shop, which is located in the Guardian area. The mainstay menu available is chicken porridge and Hainam rice. Besides, there are other menus which can be used as a menu for breakfast. It tastes great with lots of toppings, making everyone who visits more satisfied. Market snacks are also available, and there is a special coffee menu, which could be an option for visitors who want a light breakfast.
Bukan merica tapi merica. Ya benar ya.
Come on, enjoy breakfast for lovers of Hainam chicken porridge and rice. Visit this place immediately.